is now my wife.
Good evening, everybody. It's nice to be part of this prestigious family, I would say. I'm being honored. I'm honored to be a part of it.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you all of you. There is no nuclear bomb as I know.
Hey, that's a confidential information.
Hey, Joy. Hey, Joy.
Yes.
Who is with you?
My lovely partner, Patricia.
Yeah. Hey, why don't you give mic to her? Let her speak first.
No, please
Okay.
Yeah, let it try. Yeah.
Thank you for inviting me to this lovely party. Thank you.
Good evening, folks. It's really wonderful to be here today. Okay, good evening. Okay, good evening, everyone, and it's very nice to be here. Nice to be here. I did my mechanical engineering with you guys. Everybody knows that. And after my graduation from KREC, I'm basically from Calcutta, a monk from Calcutta. So I started my engineering career with a company called Blue Star Limited in Calcutta. That was basically I have a consistent career in the field of HVAC, which is called heating, ventilation, air conditioning. And I used to work for a company called Blue Star. Then I had a very brief stints to Middle East for 6 months and 8 months, kind of.
Yeah.
Can you hear me now?
That's it. Take it.
Come on, guys, that's the best we can do. Let it continue.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
So I had a brief stint to Middle East after after my work that I did in Calcutta, and then I moved to Canada in the year 1997, and also continued my career in the field of HVAC. So after coming to Canada, it was more of H than VAC, because back home air conditioning was was compulsory and heating was a luxury. But Canada, it's just reversed. The air conditioning is a luxury item and heating is a mandatory item. So I had to learn a bit of that. And that's about it. Pretty much living in Canada, and next to me is standing my lovely partner Patricia. And it's really nice to be here today with all of you. And I'm seeing some of you after 33 years. So it has really been a very, very exciting feeling. And that's about it. I do not want to prolong further, and I would like to make it as short as possible. And once again, thanks for inviting us, and we are really feeling proud to be party to this. Okay, thank you guys.
I hope am I audible to the last people? Thank you, because you guys are screaming louder for somebody.
Yeah, little louder.
Oh, okay. Do that. Yes, Jamadar, I remember we were project partners.
And where is your old photograph?
Old photograph is missing in cyberspace. Only Hando has it.
I have also got.
I could not find it. I tried hard, could not find it. Lost somewhere.
अरे सिंपल है रे थोड़ा काला करो ना बॉल बन जाएगा ना पहले
बाद होएगा तभी ना.
प्लान करो ना
ऊपर गंज निकल गया.
अजय कंटिन्यू
Okay, I graduated actually a year after all of you. I had some health issues and I had to drop out for about a year. After completing my graduation, I joined ARC, and Devashish Das was a very close friend and a colleague there. Then I went to Tata Consulting Engineers in 1990. That's around the time I got married. And I joined Aquatech, which is a water treatment company, in 93. And I've been with them since that time. So these are all the different places that I worked, Bombay and Bangalore and in the US. Only 3 places so far. That's how we looked a little, about a few years after we got married. I don't have a picture of our family because our daughter is always missing, or she does what is called these days as photo bombing. there, she's hiding behind the camera on the left-hand side. She's actually doing her master's in public health in University of Houston at Texas. And that's my wife and Pratik, her son. He's taller than me. Some trivia about myself. And I also participate in Sanskritam, spoken Sanskrit. I also teach Sanskrit, and this is one of the plays that we did. I was playing a doctor, a fake doctor. You see many of them around in our society. So this guy, this doctor was trying to make some money out of a dead body in the hopes of reviving that person. That's what I played. It was pretty easy for me to do. And there's a picture which probably everybody remembers from the Las Vegas reunion that we had 3 years back. Incidentally, everybody in this picture except Goel is also here today.
Yeah.
Tawani is not in the picture. He took this picture. Good one, good observation. They are the two people who are missing from that reunion. So nothing else about Vegas, because they say what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas.
Everybody except Suren Goel is here, I guess.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, today.
Yeah, that's what I said. Except Surendra Goel, everybody is also here.
Everybody is here today.
Yeah.
That's great.
So we are all the strong fans of reunion and meeting again. Thank you.
दोस्त दिसना हांव सांगतो ना हांव काय सांगतो ना आता ओके एन्जॉय करात एन्जॉय करात या
Thank you. Thank you.
Good evening, guys. My name is Surya Prakash. I'm from the 82 mechanical batch. My first job, unfortunately, I don't have a presentation, so I will just speak extempore. So my first job with Godrej in Calcutta, and then I worked in Bhilai Steel Plant till 1987. 89. In 87, I got married to my beautiful wife Sunita over there. Come on over. Come on over while I'm talking. So 89, I moved over to US on a job. Sholapure mentioned Burroughs. At that time, I was working on Burroughs computers, and I got a job and moved to Michigan, USA, and I've been living in Michigan ever since. I changed jobs. I worked for companies like IBM, PricewaterhouseCoopers, KPMG Consulting. Right now, I'm working for a company called Ally Financial, which was originally GMAC. It was part of GM. We got 2 children. Oldest is Tanmay Prakash. He's doing his PhD in computers engineering at Purdue. And daughter Juhi Prakash, she's doing her Bachelor's of Science at Wayne State University in Detroit. And I'll give the mic to Sunita to say a couple of words.
Well, my name is Sunita, and I don't know what to say. I work at Henry Ford Hospital as a case manager, and prior to that, I worked as what else? I don't know.
I know.
Anybody having doubt, ask Sanjeev Sinha.
Come on, go. Yeah. Besides that, yeah. I like music and I paint. I do a lot of volunteer work with Michigan Asian Family Services for social crisis counseling and things of that nature. So, other than that, I'm happy to be here and lovely to see you all.
Thank you.
No.
Good evening all. This is the photograph I found 2 days back. KRC. I didn't have a one separately. I have to pluck it out from a group which I posted 1 week back. The unclear one on the top, the clearer one, the second row near Ashok Prabhu. Some very early collections. This is my Sapat friends. I don't know, most of you will recognize Kadiyappan, Shekhar, and Sundaresan. All of them are not here. Sapad is a very fond name that Surya and a few others had given me in my second year. Sapad means Uta. Little bit about my dramatic skills in KRSC 82, where I was with a lot of guys who were our seniors. I think none of them are here. I was a scriptwriter and director. Some energy club photograph where people like Mathur and Ravi Prasad, who is no more, Kalyan Patil and all are there. The last one, GP, you were there? GP is there? Yeah, you were there. You missed this photograph in the presentation. You were there with Keshav Naik, Jayakar Hegde and Kalyan Patil Kula. This is our eternal memories of our farewell party. 82 farewell at Woodside, or I don't remember where we had that. Where was that? Left or right one? Hey, it's very bad quality. Chalapati, what do you want? You want names? Okay. That's my marriage. She's my wife, Vidya, Mrs. Vidya Karthikeyan. Typical South Indian, that's my mother in the first photograph. Some of the life's events, my first son's first birthday and my graduation, and the Upanayanam we conducted for both my sons, recent ones, and my family. Siddharth is a journalist with NDTV, Delhi, and Rahul is pursuing his CA, his two sons. About career, I started with QSL with 7 of our classmates, our batchmates, and then I moved through various locations, Paris, then I was with Tata Group briefly, then I have been into consultancy on my own for last 8 years now. In between I had a short stint in Kenya, heading a country's operation for a Malaysian company, and the current role I enjoy the most, last 6 months, heading an NGO in Vellore. It's originally founded and supported by Blue Red Cross, and primarily into rehabilitation of all forms of disabilities. Most of you are passing through Chennai or Bangalore. Kindly do visit me, visit us, visit this organization. It will be a great cause to support. My early days, I think you can find people like Rock, Shivaram Bhatt, Kishore Kumar and Shanbog with me. Yeah, Rock. He's Rock. Barry days, Africa days. The last one is the NGO I work for, primarily for physically handicapped, visually challenged, and hearing impaired children. Thank you very much. Want to say something?
I am Vidya, and nice to see you all, and a very happy evening to you.
Thank you. 82 mechanical. After 82, I went to IIT Delhi, along with some people, and I was always in the front bench while sitting, and lost in this group. Definitely. Oh, not audible? Now it's good. Okay. 84, I did my, by 84 I completed my PG at IIT Delhi. Then I went to teaching in 85. Right from 85 I'm in teaching. Most of my career, yeah. This, definitely that was KRSC days photos. The right one I am looking at PITS planning. Yeah, I had a small stint before coming to teaching with IOCL, very small stint, maybe 6 to 8 months. And I came out and started teaching in 85. I was at different engineering colleges in Andhra Pradesh, right from 85 to 2003 in Vijayawada. Then I moved to Hyderabad, worked as principal, professor, vice principal, and 2 colleges. Then in the year 2010, I said I will no more do the administrative job and be in teaching alone. I moved to BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus, which was started in 2008. And right now I'm looking after the department in the capacity of the head of department at Hyderabad campus. BITS Pilani has 4 campuses, as you may be aware of. Right, the first one is at Rajasthan, then second one is Goa in 2004, 2008 Hyderabad campus. In between 2000 they started one campus at Goa, Dubai. These are different positions I had at different locations, and one at KLC, Koneru Lakshmi College of Engineering, which is now KL University. And this is at Vignan, where I was principal. And this is again at Vignan. This is where again I was principal. Then this is my photograph at IIT Delhi. It is quite similar to my photograph at KRC. Then the right side is my close friend, civil engineering, Satyanarayana, who is no more. Suddenly, because of heart failure, he expired. And this is where we had a get together when Satish came to Satish. We had a get together at IIT Delhi. We were classmates. The second one next to me is a fellow with me in IIT. And other 3 you can recognize. First one is mine. Second one Satish, Satish, electronics and communication. And Mehran is the last one. Mehran Tamati Ektasabi, who is in Australia right now as professor in robotics. This is with again MTech classmates. Goel was my BTech classmate and MTech classmate. We moved together. We did 1 year together PhD in IIT Delhi, and both left. He went to USA. I came to teaching. This was day in the first July. I got married to Sudha. My wife is sitting there. Sudha, maybe you can come to the front. These are definitely all KREC friends. Only thing you find most of them Telugu guys who are in Hyderabad and around, who came to my marriage that time. You can see Venkat Ravi, the first one. PVRK Prasad, again a mechanical guy. Venkat Ravi, electrical engineering. Raghavendra is there right now here. And Rajara was our senior civil engineer, our just senior batch. And right to Sudha is next to Sudha is Hanumantarao, metallurgy. Then next to him our senior, a mechanical guy. And last one is our late friend Durga Prasad, Dugral Ravi Prasad. Ravi Prasad, a mechanical. He went for IAM. Then he worked in different organizations in Hyderabad. He used to meet me regularly, maybe in every 3 months to 4 months, wherever I was there. But suddenly, I went for his marriage too. Suddenly it happened for different reasons. This is where we had our housewarming ceremony in Hyderabad. This is where we had different, all Telugu guys again. All Telugu guys, you can see Ravi Prasad, Raghunath Babu, Raghavendra, Satyanarayana, Satish and PVRK Prasad. This is again with the Telugu guys in the beach, definitely. And this is the middle one, other two, you know, and the middle one is Praveen Shetty, a mechanical guy who is in Australia right now. He keeps calling me now at least once in a year. He's from Cheliaru, near our KREC. We used to go to his house walking because there was no transportation those days to go to such villages. And this is at Mogambika temple. Ganesh you can see, and Selvam you can see, and Hanumantarao, and then Praveen Shetty. We went to Mogambika temple when we were in pre-final year.
The first one is Mani.
Oh, Mani, I'm sorry.
Mani,
Mani, right.
You was also saying, not Mani Kumar.
Not Mani Kumar, Mani.
Mani. That's it from my side. She is Sudha.
Hi everybody.
Cheers, Chirapati.
Good evening. I was told that Shankar wants to sell his mattresses, so he has a half an hour presentation.
Oh, yeah. Cheers
So therefore, I'll just take one slide.
Bhagat, don't pull
Just
my
one- leg. Okay, sorry. I work in Larsen Toubro, and after shifting several jobs.
Ma'am, come closer.
Like this? Okay. I work in Larsen Toubro, and I started my career long back in Tata Motors, several jobs, and finally I'm here. My wife, Lakshmi, she's a software professional, and this is my family picture. My elder daughter, she is doing MS in Georgia Tech, and my younger one, she's just started her college in IIT Madras, and that's about me.